One of the most important innovations brought to the market by Aircrete Europe is the super smooth flat cake cutting technology. Cutting line is a crucial component of any AAC plant. It defines the plant's product portfolio, product quality, production reliability, and, as a result, the plant's profitability. In the Aircrete system, the AAC mass is cut to shape in a horizontal position without the need for tilting. Our exclusive technology uses two cutting wires which oscillate at high speed for a smooth and precise cut. The no tilting and no sticking principles enable efficient production of AAC blocks and panels. Owners of Aircrete plants enjoy their competitive advantages based on flexible capacity, the most diverse product range, minimum energy and resources consumption, adjustable cake length, 8-meter reinforced panels,